Hello guys. Um, Now I'm out of town and I got something bad news for you because my keyboard sound is very annoying. Because of that, I'm going to make this video very silent. Every time I stopped, I'm just trying to explain you what I'm going to do. But to summarize all of the concept, we are going to make a line as surface. Okay, we need a horizontal and vertical line. Vertical line is going to be our wall, and the horizontal line is going to be our wall. And the position of our lines, we're going to take the um, dependent values from where? From our boxes heights. Okay, so boxes heights and our screen's height and width. So now I'm going to code, but every straggled moment I'm just going to stop it, and I'm trying to tell you what's going on there. So I don't want to take your time too much. Let's get code and let's handle it. Okay. As you can see this, guys, we made our surface at the top of our screen. That's just because of why. It's because of these 40 value. So while we are creating our screen is creating phase. It start from the 0 to 0 pixels point. Okay, the 0 point is defined here. Okay, the top left corner of our screen. So if we like to get these horizontal line at the bottom of our surface, bottom of our screen, we need to say that we need to collect this our screen's height and subtract the 40 or 50 whatever else to get our line's position at here. Okay, but our boxes still at there, and we need to be careful because our boxes, while we are creating our box, it's going to take the height and the width value from the top corner, top left corner as well. So if our boxes size is like this, okay, so what we do, we got 600 from here. Okay, this is X position and this is Y position, and I have subtract 90, and my height is 50 as well. So I can make my height, I can set my height from bottom 40 is going to be true for us. So how can we do that? We are going to collect screen size and set it. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to mute my record because of my keyboard sound. It's very annoying, I know. Wait a minute. Okay guys, for this video I just want to stop here. Why we made our surface, and for the other video I would like to do the restriction of our movement and make the movement as possible automatically. We are going to talk about vectors, what is vectors, and we need to know the kinematic formulas of physics to simulate our program. So every time it collides, we need to get surfaces normal to reflect our boxes, and we are going to talk it for the next video. Just for now, let's see each other for next video. Do not forget to subscribe and like it. I would like to learn your comments, so I would like to see your comments. Let's keep in touch. Goodbye guys.